8, 3, 21, 6, 5, 25, 12, 2. Question mark. Here logic is 8 3 ja 24. 24 minus 3, 21. 6 5 ja 30. 30 minus 5, 25. 12 2 ja 24. 24 minus 2, 20. This answer is 20. 6 5 126 question mark. Here logic is 5 5 cube 5 5 ja 25 25 into 5 125 125 plus 1, so 126. This one also same. 6 cube means 216 plus 1 216 plus 1 27. Next 8 64 216 question mark. Here logic is 8 means 2 cube. 64 means 4 cube. 216 means 6 cube. Here 8 cube. 8 cube means 8 into 8 64. 64 into 8 5 1 12. This answer is 5 1 12. Here 9 36 25 4 16 19 9 1 9 4 6 13 question mark. Here logic is find out the missing number. Here logic is 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 1 square 1, 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. Again 6 square, 4 square, 3 square, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13, 5 square, 3 square, 2 square, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10. So answer is 10.